Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. How is today? I think you are the good. I explained to today very small device, electronic device. This name is smart socket tester. I will show you how to test, and I explain to you this working is correct or no. I can identify this socket. See, this is the correct command. I will put the my socket neutral, base and earth, live line, neutral and earth, correct position. Then there is showing correct. Okay, then I will check missing the ground. See, I remove the earth line, then there is showing missing ground. Now I will check again missing neutral, because I will remove the neutral line. I put the earth terminal, then they are showing machine neutral. Again I will check their function, then you show live neutral reverse. Why like that? I will change the neutral and live terminal. That's why they are showing neutral and live reverse. Again I will check. I will show you live ground reverse. How can I check this one? I change the earth line is the live and live put the earth, because there see there is the line is changed, then they are showing live and ground reverse, meaning this socket is very good. See, now live ground is reverse, because this one easy your socket any faults or this very good. You have to check very easy your socket outlet any problem. This smart socket link is I put the my description. You have to online order there. Thank you so much for watching my video.